Welcome to Travelodysse, where your adventure awaits. We're your virtual travel guide, bringing the world's most exciting destinations right to your screen. Today, we're journeying to the stunning island of Santorini in the Aegean Sea. Imagine a paradise of breathtaking sunsets painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, crystal clear waters that glisten under the sun, whitewashed buildings clinging to cliffs, and a vibrant culture that pulses with life. We're going to explore all this and more, from local traditions to tantalizing cuisine and thrilling adventures. Now, fasten your seatbelts as we dive into the local culture of this vibrant island. Our first stop is the charming village of Oia, a postcard-perfect locale renowned for its traditional architecture and labyrinthine winding streets. Here, the whitewashed buildings with their blue domes aren't merely iconic. They symbolize the island's rich history and culture. As we stroll these narrow paths, feeling the cobblestones beneath our feet, make a point to visit these famous churches, a site that truly symbolizes Oia. The landscape, with its striking contrast against the Aegean Sea, provides a perfect opportunity for photography enthusiasts. Immerse yourself in the vibrant local life and tradition and feel the real magic of Oia. Next, we venture into Fira, the bustling capital of Santorini. This place is a pulsating hub of activity where locals weave together a lively tapestry of tradition and modernity. Here, we find ourselves engrossed in the rhythm of island life, chatting with amiable locals, sampling delectable Greek cuisine, and exploring the vibrant nightlife. The after-dark hours in Fira are a mix of romantic moonlit walks and energetic parties, a true representation of Greek kefi. Finally, we journey to Akrotiri, a village frozen in time by volcanic ash. The remarkably preserved ruins narrate an enthralling tale of the island's ancient civilization. Here, history echoes in every corner. A must-visit is the archaeological sites, where you can witness the remnants of prehistoric settlements. Experience history come alive and feel connected with Santorini's past. Having soaked in the local culture and dabbled in adventure, it's time to add some more thrill to our journey. Imagine yourself hiking the Caldera Path, an adventure that is as exhilarating as it is enlightening. Each stride uncovers a new aspect of this captivating island. The trail curves and twists, taking us along the caldera's edge, unveiling awe-inspiring views of the Aegean Sea, the surrounding islands, and picturesque cliffside hamlets. The caldera hike is more than just a nature excursion. It's an introduction to the island's geological history, told through its vibrant landscape. Yet the adventure doesn't stop there. Nestled beneath Santorini's tranquil facade lies the ancient city of Akrotiri, a hidden gem preserved by time. Here, you're not merely sightseeing. You're stepping back in time. Navigating through its ruins, you're transported back to a bygone era, offering a glimpse into the island's illustrious past. The cobblestone streets, the remains of frescoes, and ancient pottery artifacts all paint a vivid picture of what life must have been like in this prehistoric settlement. If the thirst for thrill still persists, how about embarking on a boat trip to the volcanic islands? The voyage in itself is an unforgettable adventure, with the salty sea breeze teasing your hair and the warm sun gently kissing your skin. Upon reaching, an exhilarating hike up the volcano awaits. The climb, though demanding, promises unparalleled views of the island and the surrounding seascape that will leave you breathless. After a day packed with exploration and adrenaline-pumping activities, it's time to immerse in Santorini's gastronomic experience. Relish authentic local delicacies and indulge in the island's vibrant flavors, providing the perfect ending to an action-filled day. Whether it's the tangy feta cheese or the sweet baklava, each dish tells a story of the island's rich culinary. No trip to Santorini is complete without taking the time to savor the island's distinctive, delectable cuisine. Our journey through the gastronomic landscape of the island reveals the clean, bountiful flavors that define Greek food. Picture the freshest seafood, plucked straight from the crystalline waters of the Aegean Sea, expertly grilled to ensure the meat is succulent and tender, then finished off with a drizzle of rich, aromatic local olive oil. Or envision crisp, refreshing Greek salads with ripe, juicy tomatoes that have been kissed by the Mediterranean sun, crunchy cucumbers, and sharp, tangy feta cheese, all harmoniously paired with warm, freshly baked bread that's been lovingly kneaded and fired in traditional ovens. And Santorini's sweet offerings are not to be overlooked. We delve into the world of baklava, a delightful pastry that perfectly embodies the Greek love for simple, high-quality ingredients. Each layer is a testament to time-honored culinary techniques, starting with finely chopped nuts, lovingly sprinkled between paper-thin sheets of flaky phyllo dough, then sweetened with golden honey and spiced with a dusting of cinnamon. Each bite is a symphony of sweetness and crunch, a true testament to the culinary prowess of this island. Our gastronomic adventure also takes us into the heart of local tavernas, where love is the secret ingredient in every dish, and meals are savored alongside the warmth of Greek hospitality. Here, food is more than just nourishment. It's a vibrant expression of the rich island culture and a joyous celebration of life. With our stomachs satisfyingly full, our tour can now take us to the beach to lie in the sun and enjoy some exhilarating water activities. Santorini's beautiful beaches are the epitome of perfection for anyone desiring to unwind, relax, and bask in the warmth of the golden sun. Imagine the feel of the fine sand beneath your toes, the sun tenderly kissing your skin, and the soothing rhythm of the Aegean Sea washing over the pebbled shoreline. Among these stunning coastal paradises, Red Beach and Kamari Beach stand out, each with their own unique charm. Red Beach, with its mesmerizing red and black volcanic pebbles, and Kamari Beach, known for its distinctive black sand, are truly serene escapes from the mundane. The beaches are not just for tranquility, though. They are also bustling with activities. Sunbathing here is a privilege enjoyed by many. Feeling the sun's rays gently warming your body as you lie on the beach, with the occasional cool sea breeze, is an experience like no other. Swimming in the crystal-clear azure waters is refreshing, invigorating, and an absolute must when visiting. For the thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts, the beaches present a variety of water sports. Snorkeling is a popular choice, offering a chance to delve beneath the surface and discover a world teeming with marine life. The vibrant coral, diverse species of fish, and the occasional octopus sighting provide a different kind of adventure. As the day starts to fade, the island of Santorini prepares to put on its most magical show. The legendary sunsets here are nothing short of a spectacle. The sky transforms into a canvas painted with hues of pink, orange, and gold. The best viewing spots can be found in Uia, Fira, or any seaside locale. Watching the sunset is a cherished activity in Santorini, and for good reason. The breathtaking sight of the sun gradually sinking into the horizon, casting long shadows and painting the landscape with warm colors, is a moment absolutely worth capturing. As this beautiful day comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed this expanded exploration of all Santorini has to offer. We trust that the allure of sunbathing, swimming, snorkeling, and sunset watching has added to your intrigue and anticipation of visiting this stunning Greek island. Thanks for traveling with us to this amazing destination. Make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And if you found value in this video, let us know by smashing that like button. We're curious to hear about your top things to do in Santorini, Greece, so drop us a comment below. We can't wait to see you on our next adventure. Until then, keep exploring and let your wanderlust guide you.